we are going to do a quick little strawberry look around. I've got a ton, sorry about that, a ton of these big strawberries all over. And these are in the Dollar Tree stackers with very limited soil. But I've got worm castings and berry tone in these. And of course, right in here in this big old container. Sorry about the shadows. I wish the leaves were not shadowing things like they are. But yes, we've got huge strawberries everywhere. This is very late in the season. The production has already been amazing this year. And we've got more right here. These are huge, huge strawberries and tons of production. We just had a heat wave, and normally strawberries, even Albion strawberries like these, would kind of reduce their production. But nope, we've got production all over the place, and I've got some runners. This is with me not doing the best at keeping my runners at bay because I'm trying to harvest them, and we're getting strawberries out of the runners, which is crazy. So then I can pot them up into one of my green stalks, and then I won't need nearly, see, another strawberry right there. Now if this was bigger soil and not just seed starting mix, that would be that much bigger and that much more impressive. Man, I just love growing strawberries on my porch. My toddler's eaten a ton of these. This gives you a wider angle perspective. And we are in the middle of July, maybe middle of July plus a couple days. Very cool. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.